Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're getting an error message about a missing template layout or theme.liquid file in Shopify, I'll show you how to fix that quickly. Let's follow these steps together. First of all, before you start, you have to access your Shopify account store. And to do so, just go to your web browser, type in shopify.com in the search bar. After the website appears, click on Login. If you haven't already logged in or you haven't created an account, you'll be asked to enter your informations or log in with your Google account or Facebook or even your Apple Store account. Uh, as you can see, I automatically logged into my account. Now, go to Online Store in the left-hand sidebar here. Select Themes, click on it, and click on the three dots next to customize and next to your current theme right here to open the actions menu drop down here, and click on edit code. Check if the theme liquid is listed under the layout section here. If it's missing, you may need to re-upload your theme. Just contact the theme provider or duplicate another theme file. And that's it. This should resolve the error and get your store back to normal. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have more questions about Shopify store. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.